Welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines. So, gawa tayo ng energy check para sa may mga Sun, Moon, at Triseng na Virgo. If you're new, subscribe, like, and share. Ito yung gamit nating card. At ang card mo, laki mo masyado, is C5 of Swords. Okay, take your time to make assessments. Kasi may mga iba sa inyo na feeling nyo, bakit hindi na nangyayari or hindi na effective yung mga ginagawa mo? It's a good time na medyo mag-step back, then i-assess mo. Kumaga, maggawa ka ng, i-review mo yung data na meron ka, i-review mo kung ano yung mga nangyayari, how things are happening, and from there, makakagawa ka ng bagong atake. So, let's say you're in your business siya, or sa parenting, i-review mo, why is it's no longer working? Kasi meron kang mga kailangang i-adjust. And how you're going to do, para malaman mo kung ano yung adjustments na gagawin mo, review what happened in the past. Gain the wisdom from it. So I hope nakatulong yung reading. Those are for guidance purposes, so use your free will wisely. Subscribe, like, and share para makapagkita tayo sa next video.